In this video, we explain how to create a hook. Click on New, then click on GB Magic Part. We're in Part Environment, and click on Extrude command, and move to the plane. Click on Front, and we're in Front plane, and click on Circle by Center Point. Move your mouse to the center. When the midpoint indicator appears, click and drag away. Now enter 20 as the diameter. Press return. For the second one, we are the radius is highlighted. Type in 6 and move your mouse and to the center and click. So the second circle is there, and click on Code Sketch where extend, and here we cut distance 17 and type enter and click on the screen anywhere. Then we can click on finish this part. We carry on use extrude command. Click on the front plane. Now this time we use a straight line. Click on that and move to when both line, circle and horizontal lines highlighted, and drag it down. Type in 25 and click and drag horizontally. Once it's 20, click, go up. Once both the horizontal and circle is highlighted, click, right click, cancel the straight line command. We use tangent arc command. Click, move to the end of the vertical line and drag away to and move to the other end of the vertical line and click. And right click. Now we can click on Close Sketch. Now in the extend step, then we type in 10, press enter and click on the screen, then click on the finish. So the upper part of the hook is created. Now we need to use a command called sweep. We use a single part sweep and click OK. Here, make sure the coincident plane is selected in this drop-down menu. And right the screen, click on front. Now we can start adjust the view. Makes it easy for us to actually adjust to draw the circle, which is the path. Okay. Now we use a circle by center point again. Click and move to the vertical line and move down with a line aligned with it and click. Doesn't matter where you click it, where set dimension. So for the diameter, type in 90 and click. Right click, cancel the command. Click on the dimension, click on distance between, click on the horizontal line, move the circle and move to center, click. Drag horizontally. The distance here, we type in 74, press enter. Right, now we go to the line command again. This time we draw a line from outside the center of the circle and click again. Once go out and right click, cancel the command. Go to dimension. This time is the angle between vertical line, click, this line, click, and drag it away, click, and type 25. That's the angle we need on the drawing. And click this one and click vertical line, and we can drag down the angle here is 45. Type enter. Now we can remove the lines we don't need. Okay, so that is the path we need to draw the body of the hook. Click on Code Sketch. Now we click on finish the path and move to the step. Make sure in this step, make sure the plane normal to curve is selected in the drop-down menu. Okay, and drag this to the end of this curve, as you see the orange plane. Then click on the circle. We draw 2 circles here on this blue line. The diameter, first one is 14. The second one is smaller. We use a radius instead of diameter because that box is highlighted. Radius 5. So the diameter is 10 as showing on the drawing. Right click, cancel the command. Next is to use a distance between to set the distance between the center of the large circle to the end of this path. And click the center and click the end of path and drag away and type in 7. And do the same for the center between the smaller circle and large circle. Here is 8. Type in 8. Press return. The next is to draw straight lines. Right, drag away and click. Right click, 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 right click. We use the tangent command. Right, and click on straight line, click on circle. Do the same for the other circle. Do the same for the other line. Click, click, click. You'll see the small circle has been slightly changed. You need to actually adjust that one properly to the right dimension. Right, so check that one. It's 14 and click and check this one. It's not 10 anymore. So we need to actually press enter 10, press return. I got the dimension correct. The next is to trim off the line we don't need. So you can do that carefully. Make sure the correct lines are removed. If that happens, you can undo it. You probably like a large view to do it. If that happens, okay. So that means we need to actually go to click on the trim again. Right, okay, I managed to delete that one and click, delete. Yeah, make it larger and easy to see. Click, 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 click. Right, so the profile now is completed. Then we click on the green tick, go to the next step to extrude. So here we need to click on the blue circle first. One click and click on finish. Click on finish. So that is done. We need actually bridge the gap between the upper part and the body of the hook. To do that, we need to use one of the protrusion. We call sweep protrusion again, but this time it is not a single profile. It has to be a multiple one because the profile on each end isn't the same. Click on the plane and click on arc, and once get the middle, click on and then move to here, and somewhere here the curve is almost normal to the body line on the body, and click. So that is finished. The path is finished. Once that's finished, we click on finish. Okay, then we click on next, move to the cross-section step. So in this step, we need to choose two profiles which already exist. So in this drop-down menu, we need to select the profile sketch and click on the select and make a loop. Okay, so that is the one of the loop we start with. That is the loop of another loop started. So make sure the blue dot arrow line, green line is near to the other end, square end, and then click. Then you click on finish, next finish, and you have this gap bridged. The next one we add sweep again for the tip part of the hook. Click on OK. Click on the front plane, move your view, and draw a small arc. Start from there there is no dimension requirement, so you can do whatever you like. Okay, click. Although there are some dimension on the drawing, you don't have to follow that one for the assignment. And click on Close Sketch, so you can see the path here. We click on Finish, and click on Next, move to the cross-section step. Here, we have to actually choose from this drop-down menu. The one we choose is Apply Normal to Curve, same as before. Then click on the curve and drag it to the end of the curve and click. And then you are in the profile. You can draw a small circle against the end of that. The diameter isn't important. And once it's done, click Close Sketch. Right. Here you need to click on Finish. Right. And here you need to click on Select from Sketch. You need to click on Loop. This time you drag it and you need to actually click on this profile. So we have two profiles, and click on Preview and click on Finish. So now you have this completed. Then you can save it. That's it for this video. So type in hook. Click on Select.